Well, we thought we'd experiment with herb teas because they're refreshing and they're after a hard day's digging and they're supposed to be good for you and help with all sorts of things, digestion and depending on what sort of herb and what plant you're using. So, Tony, I've got
a scented geranium here. It smells beautiful. And it's
called amazing.
Attar of Roses.
Attar of Roses,
so I'm going to cut a few...
supposed to be a really good one for herb teas.
Okay, I'm going to cut a few leaves
So you'll be doing that.
Yeah.
I've got fennel seeds, which of course really easy to grow or buy, but you can grow them really easy in the garden, and hoverflies really love the fennel flowers, sort of yellow umbrella flowers, really love those. So I'm going to try fennel, which is supposed to be very good for your digestion. Might make you burp a little bit, I think, but it's supposed to be very good after a meal and just to relax with. And I'm going to put them in a pestle and mortar, break them up a little bit, because then I think they release their goodness a little bit more than just using the whole seeds. What have you got in?
I've got chocolate mint. There's so many different mints you can use. Pineapple mint and all sorts, aren't there?
I suppose peppermint's the classic.
Chocolate, isn't it? Well, I don't know. Does it smell?
It smells like after eights.
Oh, it does a bit. Does it? It does smell of after eights.
Oh, it does, yeah.
See?
I think it tastes like it.
We'll find out.
A healthy version than after 8 mints, wouldn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
But you just take off leaves of this. I mean, normally you'd choose it, pick stems that haven't got flowers on. But so we're just snipping off some leaves. I don't really want the stems.
No, but and so with these, I'm just going to break them up a little bit.
It's quite good using the younger leaves of these plants, isn't it? Because they're going to have kind of a much stronger.
Yeah, better flavour. What I sometimes do, when it gets later in the year, is just cut the plant right down, give it a feed and a good water, and then you get nice new shoots again. So
how many do you think?
Well, it's to taste really, but I suppose half a handful, something like that. Depends what you like.
Is that all right for you?
Yeah, small handful. Yeah, in the old infuser there.
Ready to put the water in it, shall I?
Yeah, pour some hot water over it. Got a different sort of infuser here. It's going to put a teaspoon per cup of the fennel seeds.
I think it's worth bruising the leaves a bit.
Yeah, it could do. If I could have some hot water in there, Tony.
Yeah,
lovely.
Okay.
Cheers.
Ready for yours then?
Just go straight in with the leaves.
Straight in.
Right.
There you go.
Give them sort of 3 to 5 minutes to brew, and we'll see what we think of them. Right, so we've been brewing for about 3 minutes.
Here's the Attar of Roses tea.
It's a nice colour.
It is actually, isn't it?
It's quite fluorescent green.
You're the guinea pig, Tony. You try that one first. See what you think.
Too hot. Smell it. It's quite nice. It's a hint of perfume, but not too strong.
Not too perfumey.
It doesn't feel too stewed either.
No. Been in there for about 3 minutes, hasn't it? So
that's very drinkable, actually.
Is it?
Oh, there you are. See,
Oh.
surprised.
I'm not big on herbal teas, but that's okay.
Yeah. I'm going to try my fennel.
That's a nice colour.
Yeah. Oh yeah, so hint of aniseed, that one.
Oh.
Yeah, I could drink that. Quite nice after a meal.
Yeah. That'll be good for your digestion.
I think it would. Yeah. That would win nicely.
Here goes the
chocolate
chocolate mint. I have great expectations for this one.
Bearable?
That's all right.
Is it chocolatey or minty?
Oh wow, gosh, I had a real zing of peppermint then. Sort of,
Is it?
wow.
Wow.
Wow, a real hit.
So you drink that again? You'd make that?
I would drink that again.
Yeah.
Have a little try?
Yeah.
I drink a lot of peppermint. I've not tried the chocolate
really
mint.
nice.
Don't know if anyone wants to try
Because
that.
I don't normally like herbal teas, partly because I don't like the packets. But when you actually use it fresh, it's very different.
Pepperminty,
There you
definitely.
go.
I'll try that one.
And of course you're not buying the tea bags which are covered in plastic, so that's quite a nice thing as well. Oh yeah, I like the mint.
Oh, That's really aniseedy.
That's right.
And I don't think that's not
That's
my
not
cup
for
of,
you.
that's not my cup of tea.
Bit Marmite, isn't it? Aniseed. You either love it or you hate it. I think.
Yeah, I like the mint. I've got
Yeah,
to try
I like
the
the mint.
I've got to try that one now.
Ooh, yeah.
Oh, actually, I like that one. I
Yeah,
like
a
the
bit
fennel.
aniseedy for me as well, but I think actually my favourite is this one.
Do you know, that is a surprise.
Yeah,
That's all right, isn't it?
yeah.
It's a subtle, because I thought that was going to be quite, it's a very strong
Yeah,
smell.
I mean, it wasn't in that long, really, was it?
Oh, I thought it was quite strong, but
Another one called Orange Fizz that's good for that as well. Because you've got
that's
it at home.
nice.
Yeah.
More of a
I think
citrus
I think
flavour.
my favourite
There
is
you go.
the,
You
is
did
the
like the
mint.
minty one.
You like the mint?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I thought that was going to be perfumey, but it's,
not
too
too
bad,
strong,
is it?
But it's just a hint, isn't it?
What's
Yeah.
your favourite then?
Yeah, probably the mint. Although
Mint.
I would definitely drink the fennel again. Good after a meal, I think. Drink quite a bit of chamomile as well. That's sort of nice and soothing.
Lemon balm's nice.
Lemon balm.
I like
yeah.
the lemon balm.
Lemon verbena, good as well. Yeah, and nettles. Mustn't forget nettles.
Nettles.
Very good tonic.
Yeah.
Nettles tastes awful, but it's full of nutrients
honey.
and vitamins, and add some honey or stevia or sugar or so
definitely
all round
nettles.
success then. Have we converted?
Definitely. Yeah, I'm converted.
Converted?
Cheers.
Yeah. Cheers.